Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. The DLL load failed, the specified module could not be found error is a common issue encountered in Python and other programming environments when trying to load a dynamic link library, DLL. This error can occur for various reasons, such as missing dependencies, incorrect paths, or incompatible architectures. Understanding the error. DLLs are files that contain code and data that can be used by multiple programs simultaneously. When a program tries to load a DLL and encounters issues, it may raise the DLL load failed error. Here are some common causes. 1. Missing DLL file. The DLL file your program is trying to access is not present in the expected directory. 2. Incorrect DLL path. The path to the DLL is incorrect or not included in the system's path environment variable. 3. Architecture mismatch. The architecture of the DLL, 32-bit versus 64-bit, does not match that of the Python interpreter or the calling application. 4. Missing dependencies. The loaded DLL itself might depend on other DLLs that are missing. 5. Corrupted DLL. The DLL file may be corrupted or incompatible with the application. Common solutions. Here are some steps to troubleshoot and fix the DLL load failed error. 1. Check DLL existence. Ensure that the DLL file exists in the expected directory. 2. Verify path. If your application relies on a specific path to find the DLL, verify that this path is correct. 3. Check architecture. Make sure that the architecture of the DLL matches that of Python. For example, if you are using a 64-bit version of Python, you should use a 64-bit DLL. 4. Install missing dependencies. Use tools like Dependency Walker, for Windows, to check for any missing dependencies that the DLL might require. 5. Repair or reinstall. If the DLL is corrupted, try repairing or reinstalling the software that provides the DLL. Example code. Let's say you're trying to use a Python package that depends on a particular DLL, such as NumPy, which may depend on MKL, math kernel library. Here's how you might encounter the error and how to troubleshoot it. Example of code causing the error. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Check for errors. Run the code and check if it raises a DLL load failed error. 2. Check installed packages. Ensure that NumPy and any other required libraries are installed correctly. You can reinstall NumPy using pip. 3. Verify architecture. If you are using Anaconda, ensure you are using the correct environment that matches your system architecture. 4. Using Dependency Walker. Download and install Dependency Walker. Open the problematic DLL file in Dependency Walker to check for any missing dependencies. 5. Check environment variables. Ensure that the directory containing the DLL is included in your system's path environment variable. Example fix. If you find that a specific DLL is missing, you can download it from a trustworthy source and place it in the appropriate directory, or you might need to install a package that provides that DLL. In some cases, if you're using a virtual environment, ensure that all necessary packages are installed in that environment. Conclusion. The DLL load failed, the specified module could not be found. Error can be resolved by systematically checking for missing files and dependencies, ensuring correct paths and architectures, and using tools to diagnose the issue. By following the steps outlined above, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most instances of this error.